A future husband.
Oh my. This view is literally to die for. There's so much stuff in here. We're on the sunset cruise. Hey guys, my name is Isabelle Yoo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is currently April 19th, over a month from when my birthday was, but my family and I are in San Diego celebrating my mom and I's birthdays. My mom and I's birthdays are exactly a week apart. My birthday is on March 14th and hers is on March 21st. So we usually do like a family trip around March, but we were so busy, so we decided to just push it back until the middle of April. So we drove here this morning and we ate breakfast at the M Lounge. We're staying at the San Diego Marriott Marquis, but it's literally so stunning. It's right next to the harbor, so you can just see and hear the boats, and it's gorgeous. I'll do a hotel room tour right after this. We've been to San Diego multiple times before, but I feel like this time is gonna be extra special because I'm seeing my college roommate from freshman year, but we have so many exciting fun plans. I feel like today is gonna be a pretty chill day. We're just going to tan by the pool, and we're also gonna get dinner later tonight at Ironside, which my friend recommended, and he said it's really good for seafood and oysters and things like that. And we're also gonna go on a sunset cruise. I'm just getting ready right now really quickly to go take pics by the pool. I also feel like being a spring quarter senior right now, senioritis is definitely hitting, and especially because I only have classes 3 days a week and I basically have a 4-day weekend every single weekend. I'm just looking forward to all these fun little adventures that I wanted to document. I'm also going to be back in San Diego next weekend for a little work trip with my bestie Mila, so I cannot wait to document that as well. We are going to have the best time ever. But I think this is all I'm going to do for my makeup today. Nothing super crazy. I cannot wait to get in my bikini and go down by the jacuzzi. So we just upgraded to our suite room, so let me give you a quick little room tour. This is the door that you walk in from, and then here is this full-length mirror, and then if you walk over here, it's the bedroom. Oh, hello. So this is the bedroom. There's a bed right here, a really cute nightstand, a little place to put your suitcase. This view is literally to die for. You could see the water, the bay, the harbor with all the little boats on the dock. We got a sink, some towels on the bottom, so there's a toilet obviously, and then a shower. And then over here we have the living room space, which is so nice, and they also have these little magazines. But yeah, this is our little overview of the living room. It's literally so spacious, and I cannot wait to take so many photos this weekend. Let's go outside because I need to show you guys. Oh my gosh, thank you. This is what our view looks like. Patio deck area. The pool, there's like 2 jacuzzis. It's so gorgeous. The weather's kind of gloomy and chilly. It's literally 60 something degrees, but I'm so excited to go chill by the jacuzzi. Thankfully, there are 2 hot tubs and the other one has kids in it, so we are in this one. So my tank top is this little white knit crochet tank top from Urban Outfitters. It has this really cute bow on it, and I think it's so cute with the buttons. My skirt is just this mini skirt from White Fox, I believe. I love this slit right here. I think it adds so much. My purse is just my black little Brandy Melville purse, staple and so basic, and it matches with literally everything. And then for shoes, I just paired it with my literally beat up beige little sandals. That is my little outfit of the night for night 1 in San Diego. Let's go walk around and see what else there is to do here. This makes me want to live in Miami. Game machines. Oh my god, this is so cool. We have a little bay right here and a little Topgolf swing suite on this side as well. Cheers. I don't know why we're eating so much when we have dinner in literally less than an hour. Why are you giving me flowers? We got octopus pasta, some oysters. Those are the names of the specific oysters that we picked. Rockfish ceviche with chips, and then the regular octopus.
So far, very good. Thank you so much.
Look at how fat these oysters are. Happy birthday, dear mother, to you. Make a wish.
A future husband.
Oh my god. That is so embarrassing. The server was like, oh, do you need anything else? And Dad was like, a future husband for her. I just tried getting my lip gloss and I completely broke my nail. So it's the next day and I'm getting brunch with my college roommate from freshman year. She's almost here, so let me do a quick outfit of the day. So for my top, I just have this brown corset little top. It's so cute because it has this like ribbon going down it. It literally is so flattering and hugs you in all the right places. For my jeans, I'm just wearing these Wrangler jeans from Anthropology, which I got forever ago, and they're so cute because they like flare out at the bottom. I'm truly obsessed. So for jewelry, this pearl one is from my grandma who passed it down to my mom who passed it down to me, and then this little choker necklace is from a brand who sent it to me on TikTok shop. And then for my rings, same rings that I wear every single day. But this is my outfit, super cute and comfortable. I think she's here already, so let's go down and get her. Hello!
This is for you.
What the heck? Happy birthday! Oh my gosh. Ashley, there's so much stuff in here. I've always wanted to try this.
It's really good.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, what is this?
Getting the small one so that I can try different things.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Green panko. The hair clip.
And then?
And then a banana walnut pecan pecan bread.
And your drink?
My mango dragon fruit acai.
I got an iced green tea matcha latte with 5 scoops of matcha in here, and then the tomato mozzarella panini or sandwich or something like that. So it's been a couple hours later. I'm back in our room. I did a little outfit change, so I wanted to show you guys where my outfit's from. My dress is just this really tropical printed dress from White Fox Boutique. It's so cute. I love the little trimming on the edge. And then for my shoes, I'm just wearing the same beige little sandals that I was wearing yesterday. I cannot wait for this cruise, so I'll see you guys when we get there.
It's very private attention.
We're in San Diego. We're on the sunset cruise. I know. It's like perfect timing too. I feel like the sun's gonna go down in a little bit. We're moving.
It's hard to tell male from female when they're smaller. When they do get larger, males will coloration difference as well. Some of these females.
Sunset is so pretty.
Anything you want to know, they can always take your picture.
It's been over an hour since we started this little boat ride and we're going back to our dock right now. Literally everyone is wearing like long pants and a sweatshirt or a hoodie, and I'm over here in this little mini dress and everybody was staring at me while I was coming in here, but it's okay.